Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Famitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode, I'm gonna show you the correct way to turn on your PA system or your sound system. Now some persons just turn on all the devices, all at once, turn on the devices with volumes and the mixer up, and just everyone basically do their thing completely different. Personally, as for me, whenever I'm turning on my PA system, definitely the volume on the mixer, especially the master volume, and definitely the sub volume. And let's say, for example, this channel, which is channel 11, which I use to actually play my Newmark board. So that's the DJ mixer board. So this is the channel. So as you can see, it is actually about 3/4 way up. And once I'm pouring on my system, ensure that all these keys they are actually down. So as you can see, my system, it is partially up. I have the crossover on, and just right. So just a crossover on, and my this is actually the Behringer. I show you it. Right, so that is the Behringer Sonic Exciter. Alright, so in terms of me turning on my PA system, definitely ensure that the volume for the mixers they are down. Now in terms of the different components, normally I don't left them on, normally keep them off. So main power button, so this is my power conditioner, definitely my power conditioner. So the EQ at the top there, all the volume down, EQ already turned on. Then of course can turn on my maximizer, then I would turn on my EQ, then for after my EQ, then I turn on my crossover, and then the amplifiers. That's what I actually turn on mine. Next amplifier, and then I definitely turn on the next amplifier. So that's how actually turn on my PA system. Now the key thing about turn on your PA system is to ensure that you have your volume downs on your mixer, especially the master volume. And the main reason for this, let's say for example you have a mic plugged in, or you have your DJ controller plugged in, or you have a device that actually sending signal to the mixer board there, and all the amplifiers they are turned on, and you actually have your volume up, then definitely that will actually give send a sudden sound to your speakers, and that can actually blow or damage your speakers, right? So that's how I'm actually power up my PA system now. As for other videos, I would have of course told the guys that it is just my way of doing it. There are several other ways, other persons have their opinions. So definitely in the comment section of the video you can leave your comments, give me any correction. Definitely will take those corrections. Now I will be definitely doing a video showing you how to power down your PA system. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.